Hi friends, thanks for supporting my channel. Also those who are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. This video is mainly I created for my juniors, for mechanical engineer freshers, those who are searching for the jobs. Um there are different jobs, different we are in this world we are focusing on different fields. We have mechanical engineering is the evergreen subject, so everywhere we will get the job. If we try our best, you will surely will get the job, no issue in that one. Okay, first I will discuss step by step for what are the departments are there, what are the courses we have to study, what are the courses, additional courses we need for attending the interview. That will I will make it in explanation. Okay, first one in the design field, there will be automobile industries, piping, as well as some mechanical accessories, equipments like that. The first stage will be the design. So the basic design software is the AutoCAD. Then Pro E, CATIA, ANSYS, Unigraphics, like that. More software packages are there. We should you have the interest in the design field. You should try to complete all the packages in the CAD center. Okay, approved CAD center. That will be the certificate will be valid. So, in other institute it is not valid, not like that. But CAD center, most of the people with a licensed one. Okay. Okay, second one is the government exams. There are more government exams conducting for the mechanical engineers. Some have the age limit is there, maximum 35 age limit. So before that you have to try to get the job in government. Government or government related sectors. Okay. First one, UPSC, IS or Indian Space Research Organization, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, NPCL, ONGC, like that exams, they will conduct first written exam. On the basis of the GATE exam, graduate aptitude test for engineers, so all of you know that one. That exam, we have the cutoff mark is there. You have achieved that mark means they have directly call for the interview. Okay, some other government exams that have written exam, ISRO exam have the written exam first, then they will conduct the interview. So be prepared for that written exams. Mainly they will ask the questions from thermodynamics, strength of materials, manufacturing technology, materials and metallurgy, and fluid mechanics. These are the 5 subjects you have to thorough knowledge. Okay, you will get the written exam best, and entry also they will ask some problematic as also practical things they will ask. So you have to some knowledge in that one means you will achieve the government exam as a mechanical engineer. Okay, third one is the bank exam. Bank exam, most of the people are not interesting. Me also not interested, because I studied mechanical engineer. Why I am going for the bank manager, bank posting, like that, cashier, like that job? I'm not interested. But most of the engineers now get the jobs as a bank manager, like that post. In my batch, some of the people worked in Reserve Bank, State Bank, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank also, with good salary. They told me, they shared some points to me. I asked, how can you get this job? They told I went for a training institute, like that. We conduct some mock-up test, like that. In that interview, group discussion is the best one. You have to improve our communication skill. That is the main important thing. You have to improve your English communication skill. That will highlight your category from the other people. Okay, so preparing that one. So most of the people get jobs in bank exams. One thing, it will be a luck. Another one, they will somehow, most of the people making hard work in preparing this bank exams, and preparatory coaching classes are there. They will go and train up and they will get the job. So that will also one of the options is there. Good salary with good package is there. Okay, try that one also, the best one. Okay, next one is the production field. Production field have so many categories. Automobile industries, production, some small scale industries, casting process, and some of the fabricated industries are there. But most of the people going to abroad, like a piping engineer, piping structural engineer, like that post. How can we get the job as a mechanical engineer in Gulf? We have focusing 5 things. One is the equipment, piping, welding, structural, and some of the additional others activities are there. So you should focusing these things, means you will get the job in Gulf countries as a production engineer. Then yeah, some of the people have no experience in that one. We are the freshers, how can directly go to the Gulf? There are some of the people asking questions. One thing you keep it in mind, you should work minimum 1 year in India. You get knowledge from some small scale industries, also no issue. No bothering about the salary, it's the main thing. You get the knowledge and technical skills you have to get. What are the things you study in the B mechanical engineering is theoretically, you have to implement it in the industries. How this process going on is manufacturing field. The manufacturing technology 1 and 2 we studied. What are the process, exhausting process, centrifugal, casting, what are the casting process, what are the defects will come. That will you have to ask questions. What are the processes going on? What are the process and technology, manufacturing technology we used? What are the studied in the BE degree? You have to implement. Okay. If you have doubt, directly go and ask your manager or supervisors. No issue. You get more knowledge from your. You are asking question means you will get more knowledge. Okay, no issue in that one. So keep it in mind. Don't bother about the salary. You get knowledge from your higher level persons. Okay, knowledgeable persons. Or if the technician know more than the supervisors, technical skills. So you directly go to the, just ask what is the process going on there, what is that, how it is working. Like the technician will briefly explain. No issue. You are they are working under you. How can we ask the questions? Not like that. Okay, you will get the knowledge from them. No issue. Then safety officer. So most of the people did doing industrial safety course in India. They are working some in the government, private sectors also. And if we are try to going for the abroad, you will do NIBOSH, OSHA, like that course, international course you have to. It means you have easily get the safety officer post in Gulf countries. So please concentrate in that course and get this additional certification. Then we will work as a safety officer in abroad countries. Then next one is the main important quality. Quality. So quality is the main important thing. Everywhere we will select one brand. It is a quality brand means we will buy. Otherwise we will not buy. I have to buy only Apple product only. This is a branded item. US branded item is a good quality and reliability, durability, everything have. So only I am selecting that product. That's the same thing. Quality, you have to use a quality controller. As a quality controller, Actually I am a QC, quality control person only. I got this job not only through BE degree. Initially I get this job, minimum qualification of the QC person will be NDT level 2, non-destructive testing. Then I did CZIP 3.1, certification scheme for welding and inspection personnel. 3.1, 3.2, like that. There will be courses are there. In that additional courses you have to study, it means you will enter in the quality field. Some of the people worked in India, they don't have like the degrees. If you are try to go for the abroad as a quality inspector, you will do some additional courses. And APA, American Petroleum Institute, 653, like that. Most of the people nowadays doing APA courses, 6.5 courses are there. They will 570, 510, like that courses are there, 580 also. Okay, if you are interested in quality field, you can do that courses. So the cost will be very high. So if you are doing these courses, means you will be standard in the quality section. Okay. If you have doubt in that, what are the courses, what are the fees structures, any doubt in that, means you will ask in inbox, comment box. I will explain it in detail. Okay. Then final one is the other. I will briefly explain the Gulf jobs. Most of the more and more people, guys interested to go to abroad after completing my degree. When I completed my degree in April, I will interested to go in the May month. Is possible? No. But how to try? What are the things I explained before regarding about the Gulf jobs? You should have additional qualifications. You should have. Just you have to enter the Gulf job, means afterwards no issue. Afterwards you will jump to another companies, no issue, as your talent. Now in my experience, I learned most of the people studied with pass out with good marks, with good percentage of marks, with good knowledge, but they didn't get a good salary and good job now itself. But backbench students, they are not making too much higher. That all people are in higher position. How? All will be their talent, not only the studies and percentage of mark. How to expose your talents and communication skills, how to expose your knowledge, that will be best in nowadays. You will get a job surely. So finally I will give some short tips. First one is you have to make additional courses, it is must. Then develop your communication skill, group discussion, like that. Should not be panic or fear in the interview. Then interview dress codes. Okay, dress codes and personal look you have to follow. Then you have to good knowledge about the mechanical basic engineering. These are the things you will get. Surely you will get the job. Okay, I will continue the other tips related to the jobs in the next presentation. Good luck.